Palm Beach Drama Works creates vibrant, original productions of classic, contemporary, and overlooked plays that inspire, challenge, and entertain, attracting a growing audience to downtown Palm Beach year-round. Artistic quality and integrity have earned the group local and national accolades. Wall Street Journal theater critic Terry Teachout has praised Palm Beach Drama Works as one of the top-ranked regional theaters in the country. Its drama workshop lab develops new plays and nurtures playwrights, and its outreach programs include educational interviews with top industry professionals, free matinee performances for students, and more. Palm Beach Drama Works is truly living its mission to enhance quality of life through the transformative power of live theater.